Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add the 20 SMA on TradingView. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView, then go to indicators, this one. Click on it and type here SMA. Now choose this one, moving average simple. Okay, SMA stands for simple moving average. So click on it. And this is our SMA. Okay, I think you can see it here. Now let's change it to the 20 SMA. Go to your indicator here and click on the gear icon. Go to input and change length to 20. And this one is our 20 SMA. Now let's say, for example, you want to change this color. Click on the gear icon and click on style. We have here color. You can choose any color you want. So let's choose, for example, yellow. We have here the opacity. You can change the opacity if you want. And we have here the thickness. Okay. So click on this one, for example, or this one. Okay. After that, just click on OK. As you can see. So this is our 20 SMA. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.